Hey friends, this is our downstairs electronics setup. Entertainment room, and there's a lot of stuff plugged in. We're gonna need a good solution both for outlets, because there's a lot of things to plug in here, as well as some good surge protection. Now that's where today's product comes into play. This is the RST, the Rocket Socket Technology 6-outlet individually controlled heavy duty surge protector. So we're gonna quickly set this up today, just show you how each of these individual strips works. Here's a quick look at the specifications. You can see you have a heavy duty cord that's up to 6 feet, and you have surge protection up to 1200 joules. Now again, like I mentioned, we've got a lot of stuff going on here. We've got our big 85-inch TV, we've got our sound bar, we've got a PS4 down here. We also have a big heater right here, as well as a little Google Home. We've also got a few lights that are plugged in as well. It's just a lot of stuff for a couple of outlets to handle. We definitely need a solution like this to keep things properly organized, and again, for that added protection. Now, out of the box, you can see there's really not much setup that is required. Make sure you remove this little plastic sticky protector on the end. The cable is 6 feet. It is wrapped in this little cable wrap, which is nice. You also have this little baggie with a couple of screws. And the way this works, if you wanted to, for some reason, hang this up on a wall, is you pop those screws in, and then as you can see on either end of the surge protector, this little opening exists so you can hang this on those screws. Again, we won't really need that. This is going to be sitting on our back shelf. We're just going to be plugging in our electronics in these various areas. Okay, obviously setup is a breeze. We have a single cable going over to one of our outlets here. Again, we're gonna need a little bit of cable management. We're probably gonna hide this up on our shelf back here behind the TV. But to show you how things work, we'll keep it down here. I've plugged in a bunch of our important electronics. We have our Google Home, we've got our PlayStation 4, our TV, our sound bar, and we even have our nice high-powered heater plugged into the end of the outlet down here. So basically there's a few different switches here that we can use now. And each of these individual outlets has its own switch to turn on or off. Again, super handy if you want to control the outflow of specific products. So to turn the full switch on, we can use the main button up here on the top. As you can see, the protection light will come on, showing that there is surge protection. And then again, each of these individual ones is then controlled using the on-off switch. So I'll click that, and as you can hear, our heater popped on, and I can turn each of these on to put our TV on, our sound bar, as well as the PS4. Again, this one will remain off at this time because we don't have anything plugged in. So again, some really nice features to make sure you have full control over what is being protected and which electronics are actually going to remain on. Now, the only downside I can see with this is that if you're in a dark environment, maybe your room, and you want to leave everything on, this would obviously throw light. Same thing for an entertainment room. Maybe you like the entire environment dark except for the TV. Well, again, you may have to get creative with where you are placing this so that light doesn't bother you. So there you go, friends. That's the RST 6-outlet individually controlled heavy duty surge protector. Definitely a really cool product. Go check it out right here on Amazon. Hopefully that makes your shopping decision just a little bit easier. If it has, hit that thumbs up button. Stay tuned, we're making a bunch more of these tech-based tutorial videos, product review videos to make your life just a little bit easier. We'll see you again on the next one.